Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how I made my wooden furniture cleaner that cleans deeply and neatly and also leaves a sparkle after every clean. If you're interested, let's get started. So welcome back. This is my mixing jar which I'll use to mix everything together. First, I'm going to be having water. Your running tap water is enough to make this. Then I'm going to be adding half tablespoon of baking soda. You do not have to put too much because baking soda may react to some kind of wood. So since you don't know the kind of wood that is to be used, make sure you use just a little. Then I'm going to be adding vegetable glycerin. Vegetable glycerin, although is an humectant, but it will help to keep the table shiny, especially if it's a glossy one. Then I'm also going to be adding some drops of coconut oil. Here I'm using fine cold pressed coconut oil because I also want the smell. I prefer the smell of cold pressed to hot pressed coconut oil. Coconut oil here will help to give the wood a shine and also leave the sparkle behind. It also helps to keep the wood shining for long. I'm also going to be adding dishwash. You can use any dishwash or hand wash that comes your way. And this will actually help to remove every kind of grease on the surface of the wood or any stubborn stain. It will also help to wipe out water rings from the table or any of your wooden furnitures. So I'm going to give this a warm stir, then I'm going to add some essential oils to it, just a few drops. This is mainly to make this smell good. Here I used red raspberry essential oil. You can go in with vanilla as it has a very good smell, especially for kitchen and the dining area. Okay, so I give this a good mix and I'll get a container. Here it was the wooden cleaner I bought, but I have to recycle the container since I could make one myself. So instead of spending too much to buy these things from the stores, you rather would make it yourself with these simple ingredients. If this video is helpful to you, please endeavor to support me by subscribing to this channel, like this video, and also share. Please do not forget to turn your notification bell so that you can always get my videos whenever I upload one. Now let's put this furniture cleaner to a try. So let me try it on my kitchen cabinet having some dust and dirt. I'll just spray a little and then wipe it up with a cotton cloth and see how clean it goes. Also on this end, I don't know what's splashed here, but I'm just going to spray some here and then I'm going to clean it up. You're going to see the difference between the cleaned part and the ordinary wood. So you see the shine that this gives, and it's a really must try for you in your home. If you would give this a try, please let me know in your comment section, and also don't forget to support this video by subscribing, liking, and sharing. In my previous video I made a cleaner for mirror and glass. You can check that out too. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.